There, in this tutorial, I'm going to show about how to do account lockout policy, or how to implement, or how to create a policy, and that is account lockout policies. In the last video, we learned about the password policy. Now, in this tutorial, it's a simple concept. By name, you can understand that it is related to account. And for example, a user wants or user trying a wrong password to open the account, then how would be the policy will be how what are the duration of lockout. So let's open the group policy management, the domains, and currently I'm sitting at techengineertv.com. Now just create the by default domain policy, which is linked the GPO, which is linked to the domain. So I want to implement the policy in all domain. So goes to policies, vendor settings, security settings, and you find the option called account policies. Now this is what the password policy was. Now we're going to create an account lockout policy. The password policy is already done. Now the account lockout policy, where we have three options, you can see account lockout duration, account lockout threshold, and reset account lockout counterafter. So account lockout duration is same, means once your account locked, then till how long, till what minute, till how much time it will be locked. It means 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, how long your account locked. So the duration, and then account lockout thresholds, I mean how many wrong valid logon will be there. I mean how many attempts you wants to give a user. I mean how many wrong attempts user can try before before the account gets logged out. So threshold is like that. Attempts, according to attempts, for example 10 attempts, 10 wrong attempts, 3 wrong attempts, 5 wrong attempts. It's up to you. Then once the attempts will be passed, then the lockout policy will be implemented. Now this is what the interesting thing is: reset account lockout counter. It means till how long the wrong policies applied. It means for example, if you give 3 threshold, you give a 3 logon attempt, then the lockout counter till how long? That means after 10 minutes, after 20 minutes, after 30 minutes, you can give another wrong attempts of a password. It means it's from where that the counter starts. So when you open right click properties, you can see the define this policy settings. Currently by default the timing is 30 minutes. You can change this up to you. For example, I give 10. Now you can see explanation about the account lockout operation, the lockout policy duration. You can see the security setting determines if the number of minutes locked out remain locked out before automatically begins. I mean currently 0 minutes through 99,999 minutes. This is the limit from 0 to 99,999. But if you set the account lockout duration is 0, for example, if you set a 0, then only administrator can unlock the account, no one else. That's the busy thing. If you wants to make your admin busy, or if admin wants to get busy, then they can apply this policy. Once you put 10, then you can see the recommendations, suggested values, which is already by default. You can see the lockout threshold is 5 invalid lockout attempts, and the reset account lockout counter is already set to the suggested setting, which is 10 minutes. So I'm just saying okay, and you can see just setting one policy, other two also get set by default. You can see account lockout threshold is saying 5 invalid threshold, mean 5 times a user can change, user can try a wrong password. So I'm just decrease that value 3, and so the user will able to give a wrong attempt of 3. Now this third one is automatically set the first one. It depends on the first one, because account locked for 10 minutes, then the reset counter should run from 10 minutes only. That's the logic. You can set according to your own vision, but I have to give now GP update space slash force. Group policy will update after some time, but because I want it forcefully, I want to see the result, I want to do a practical quickly. That's the reason I'm applying forcefully. So this command will now the policy update successfully. Now I have to log on. I have to give wrong attempts now. So username is test user 1, which is recreated, and then one attempt for wrong logon, another wrong logon, another third one is the wrong password. You can see the referenced account is currently locked out and may not be logged on to, means our account is locked for 10 minutes, and you keep on attempting. Even if you put a right password, then also our account will be locked, and then until 10th minute, until 10 minutes, this will be locked and will not be usable. So this is what the trick is, and after 10 minutes you can give another wrong try. For example, if you don't know the password, then after 10 minutes you can give another attempt of wrong try. This is what the command was policy was. Hope you learned something about the account lockout policy. Thanks for watching.